In this quick guide, we're going to show you how you can find and join Discord servers. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really helps us out. Now, whether you're looking to join a new Discord or you're just new overall and you want to explore new communities, here's how you can get started. Go ahead and actually exit the Discord app and open up your web browser. In the search bar, go ahead and type in Discord servers and hit enter. At the top of the search results, there should be a site like discord.com or discordservers.com. Go ahead and either click on either of those. And once you get to this site, you can actually browse categories. So I'm going to choose gaming because that's something I'm into. But essentially choose whatever you would like, whether it's gaming, music, study, it doesn't really matter. And from here, you can also find specific communities if you would like. Just browse the options, and whenever you find a server that you're interested in, for example, we'll do the Roblox one, open it up, scroll down a little bit to read a little bit about it, and simply hit join server to join it. But that's it, you're now ready to explore and join new Discord communities. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. Have a great day.